Welcome to Sociology Vibes, where we simplify challenging ideas into easy to understand insights. Stick around to see the world and your life in a different way. Today, our focus is on the explanation of the social structure as used by sociologists. The easiest way to understand the concept of social structure is to think of it as a synonym for society. Social refers to people having relationships and interactions within society. Society is structured or organized in a way to meet our needs like food, shelter, safety, information, and much more. But it also includes culture, rules, and expectations, and in many ways to control and influence not just our actions, but also our views, thoughts, and opportunities. So in a way, the social structure is like an invisible shield that is all around us and within us. It is society. Now let's break this down with examples. Think about your family. In most families, there are expectations like who cooks the meals, who works outside the home, and even who takes out the trash. These roles help keep things running smoothly. And although they can be different in every family, the idea that there are roles to play is part of the social structure. The same example applies to all relationships, from your friends, neighbors, coworkers, to authority figures, and even strangers. When meeting a stranger, there are invisible expectations for behaviors that are influenced by the social environment, such as at the gas station, in a movie theater, or online. These invisible rules for behavior are known to us and others, but we don't go to school to learn them. Our parents cannot teach us all of them, yet they are learned. The social structure includes all of the rules, roles, everything in a society, including a society's culture. Now you might wonder, how does this affect me personally? Well, social structure influences your choices without you even realizing it. It can shape the type of job you think is appropriate for you, the education you pursue, and who you hang out with. It can also shape whether you get married or have kids, your lifestyle, and your likes and dislikes. However, it's not all about total social control. People challenge and change the social structure. Think about how once only men were expected to work in certain jobs like firefighters or CEOs. Over time, women challenged these norms or expectations for normal behavior, and today we see more women in these occupations. That's people reshaping the social structure. Every generation influences social change, as do new technologies, social movements, and social trends. And as we wrap up here, remember that understanding the social structure helps us see the invisible rules that guide our lives and recognize when and how they change. Society's social structure is all around us, influencing everything we do. But it also is evolving as we grow and change as a society. And this makes sociology worth exploring further, don't you think? Thanks for watching. If you found this video interesting, give a like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next Sociology Vibes video.